Shout out to all the viewers out there, shout out to my fan base, Rule Nation. My name is Ruboy, aka Baddest Type Man Ever, Leave It. And I want you guys to know it's all about Showmax. That goes to you, no other person, Ruboy. When I had a fight with Missy in the garden, amazing. Hey, it's Kelly, too, Diddy. Let me give that to my brother Coin. To be honest, almost everybody, because I've got good connection with almost all the housemates. Deep. For now, I really can't say, because for me to be out, then anything can happen. Absolutely, I still don't know, because for me to be out of this show, then anybody can win the show. And good luck to the winner out there. I love you. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, uncles and aunties, that is the mommies, boys and girls. It's your boy, Ruboy Way, latest evicted housemate of Big Brother Naija season 10. Do the most. Less is not an option. Probably big guess again, man. See you soon, Nation.
This way, please.
What does that even mean? Like... Big Brother, that is so fair! Give me. I cannot let it.
You just literally threw the baby at me.
I did not!
Leave my baby alone! Baby start crying now.
Wait.
I'm not Susu.
I don't want to take my pen away. I'll bite you. Take my pen away. Do not take my pen away.
Hold that.
Woo! Yes! We had to win this!
We knew that. The scowl on Shay's face towards you just makes it even better.
There's always two sides to every story, isn't there? The sadness of conceding a late winner, and of course the joy that it brought to Righty's face.
Hold that.
Here's how this is going to go. Needless to say, you're fired. By noon tomorrow, you'll be on a no-hire list for every oil company in the Permian Basin. Sheriff's going to be here in about 5 minutes, and he's going to toss this place. And I'm just guessing he'll add felon in possession of a firearm, possession of a controlled substance, and maybe possession of a controlled substance with intent to distribute. And any one of those violates your parole. And then you add on top of that aggravated assault charge and kidnapping, because when you shut the door on him, that's kidnapping. I ain't a goddamn mathematician, but that's like 30 years. That's what I do to people who hurt my family.
have this conversation. You know what you did this morning was intentional.
No.
Yeah, come on. You know, I know you're not dumb, okay?
No.
The toilet was not the last thing on that list. You and I know that. It wasn't the only thing on the list.
No.
Be honest.
Why the fuck wouldn't you talk?
Exactly. You were trying to prove a point with me.
No.
That's what you were trying to do.
No. I wasn't trying to prove a point, Faith.
So what are you trying to do?
Listen, I wasn't trying to. You're stubborn.
You're stubborn too.
I was talking to you. If you were not talking to anybody.
Every day doing our improvements. I'm with the hustle for success. Living life in the moment. And my body with the life stress. Got my eyes on my business. Only I guide in my conscience. Who no like the enjoyment? I say who no like the enjoyment? Carry me to the next level. To the next level. Everybody, me I wanna stay on soft. Me I wanna see the world, this mind's right need them now. Me I wanna stay on soft. Me I wanna own my world. Jubilation.
To go. My mom sent me away from the house. Now I've been raped. No! I can't do this, mommy. Why? Why did you do this to me? Mom, I can never forgive you.
Housemates. Living under one roof will always bring disagreements. Tempers flare, egos clash, and words are exchanged. That is human, and that is to be expected. But what is not acceptable is turning conflict into violence. Zeta. For your actions, you are hereby issued a double strike. One more strike, and you will be disqualified from Big Brother's house. Do you understand?
Yes, Big Brother.
Hello. Surprise.
The phone is ringing.
Hello?
Hello, Coin.
Hello?
Hello, Coin.
Hello, I can hear you.
Please tell Missy to move away.
Missy, move back.
Big Brother would like to make you an offer.
Okay.
You have been granted access to a special treat.
Okay.
A haircut and hairstyling session.
Okay.
This treat is also extended to your fellow housemates.
Okay.
However, this indulgence comes with a cost of 1 million naira, which will be deducted from the season's prize money.
Okay.
You have the choice to give your fellow housemates a much needed treat.
hair was your teeth.
Congratulations on purchasing a haircut and hairstyling session for you and your fellow housemates.
Thank you.
Bruno Guimaraes leads Newcastle out.
This show say nah, I'm not here for all this love, all these things. Show don't right now. We see what we see.
Hi guys, it's me again, Brett Morgan here. I'm a housemate. I just got evicted from the Big Brother and just in 10 over 10. And I'm here with Showmax. Trust me, amazing experience. I got to, stay around people who come from different backgrounds, different worlds, different culture, different upbringing. It wasn't, I would say it was a tough one at some point, but I had to adapt to the situation, and trust me, it was worth it. Culture and mental. So many people play this mother's game, but I'll say for sure, Inisi. To be honest, I don't see any ship as fake. I did pay too much attention to that, so I don't think any ship is fake. Mide's birthday. Mide color. I'd say either Inisi or Mide. Thank you, Showmax. Good energy. Peace. Hi guys.
Hi guys, it's Joanna and I'm here with Showmax. You already know the vibe. We're here to show with Showmax. Thrilling, exciting. At the same time, I couldn't just fathom the fact that I was here, right? Culture is very funny. At random times, he be making words. I don't know. He's just crazy. Say it or leave it. I said I've been saying it from the beginning. Who's playing the smartest game? I've been seeing the sequential plot. You may say that girl, she's such a great actress because she's not always like that. Of course, my people, Mide and Bright, they're so cute. I think when Faith was speaking about me on the live TV during the live eviction, I'm like, oh yeah, okay, thank you. Cut the cameras. I mean, Mide, Thelma, Bright, Faith, Paula, those are my just one of your lots, but we're confident people. They're good enough for me. Can I give up two options? I don't mention or Inisi, something like that. We didn't dive in. So guys, bye. This is all I have for you guys with Showmax. Thank you for having me.
Nice, Joey. Finally putting other people's interests above your own. Shame, though, it's the wrong people. Now give me the drive.
Do you think I'd be dumb enough to keep it on me? It's gone. No one will ever know why you did this.
I guess I'll just have to figure it out then.
Hi, my daddies. Your favorite girl, Thelma Lost in here, and I'm live with Showmax. Generally, I would say it was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. 10 over 10 experience. I've answered this question to a housemate before, and I told them it would be Kola. Kola is effortlessly funny, even when he's just having a normal conversation with you. Maybe Faith. He's very, very calculating. The best sheep in the house goes to my one and only Bright Morgan and Bide. He's definitely being the first female head of house. One of one. In season 10, I mean, if he easy run and then I went on to still win again. So 2-time female head of house. I mean, that's good, that's good. Of course, I'm looking forward to spend more time with K-Bobo and get to know each other because like on our quarter we're game half, so we need to catch up. I'll say either Mensa or Fit. So guys, it's your favorite girl, Thelma Lusty, and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.
You're calm, you're gentle, you're soft, and you don't have to tell you everything so that you don't go and start smiling anyhow. Because it's going to pain me if you smile anyhow. Because what the hell?
Oh, okay, I don't just smile anyhow.
Now lie. Rubbish. No. You will not they enter me since for here. Mark when they talk with you, they sweet you for body. Well, you're actually like a very, very sweet person. And naturally, I am drawn to that because you already know me. I think those were the things that drew me to you, actually, because, yeah. I think those are the things.